Hi guys, the placement report is out for the most beautiful campus of Seven Lakes. Any guess which college we're talking about? So average salary this year is touching 29 lakhs. So just imagine you are going to get a package of 29 lakhs if you crack this thing. Yeah, now people may say यार कैसे crack होगा? ये तो तुम तो वो दिखा रही हो क्या? Dreams. You are just showing the dreams. 440 students have cracked this college. If they can do it, why can't you do it? Any guess which college we're talking about? कुछ नहीं मिलेगा because that should be the easy guess. So it's all the water bodies. Personally I love the water bodies. So this campus contain all the water bodies. So any guess which college you're going to? Yes, we're talking about IIM Calcutta today. So that's the beautiful campus of IIM Calcutta. So you're going to get a package of 29 lakhs if you are in this college. IIM Calcutta. So let's check out the report of IIM Calcutta, the placement report and batch profile, and how you can get into IIM Calcutta, how much cutoff is required to convert this beautiful campus of IMC. So at CTK, we are launching our program for the CAT exam, CAT 21. You can go for the e-classes, you can go for the books, mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join. Just call the number here and my team can help you out. In case you are based in Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, then you can call the numbers given here to come for the classroom program. The moment lockdown get over, we'll start with the classroom program. So the registration started for the classroom program for CAT and the CET exam. All right. Looking at the batch profile now, so total number of students are 442. Out of them, 141 female and 301 male. So male is 68% of batch, female is 32% of batch. Now, if I look at the average of the top colleges, it is 30-70. So IIM Calcutta is maintaining that ratio of 30-70, which is a good ratio. All right, moving on. The fresher, 23% of the batch is fresher with zero work experience. So out of 400, 25% more than almost 100 students, 110 students approximately have zero work experience. तो जो लोग कहते हैं कि I'm a fresher, मेरा नहीं होने वाला this and that, भाई आपके सामने 100 students are there. 1 to 12 months of work ex, 15%. Yeah. 13 to 24 months of work ex, 34%, one third of the batch, approximately 140 students. I'm just taking a random number here approximately. 24 months plus of work ex. मेरे को work ex बहुत ज़्यादा है. I have 3 years of work ex, 4 years of work ex. 28% of the batch have work ex of more than 24 months. Yeah. So if you cannot be in these 100 students, more than 100 students, then I'm sorry. Then there's something wrong in you as well. So those who post or those who think you can't crack it because of the you don't have experience, I'm sorry. The number is here. Okay. Now IIT is 32% batch, 17% NIT, BITS 4%, others 47%. 53% of the students, engineers, are engineers from NIT, IIT and BITS, which is good. 47% are non-engineer. I know I'm going to get one comment pakka saying that, sir, I am from a very small B school. Do I have a chance or no? Bro, there are 47% of batch. More than 200 students are there from an average or below average college. If they can convert, why can't you convert? Okay, so don't put the blame on the policy कि पॉलिसी बेकार है इसके लिए मेरा एडमिशन नहीं हुआ. भैया हमारी भी गलती है. So let's move to the placement report we have. So even due to the subdued employment environment, IIM Calcutta bagged 520 offers of 467 students who totally applied for that. Yeah, 100% placement report beating all odds. Yeah, average pay has also go up at the college. So we'll check out the report. This is published in the Mint newspaper. All right, 172 firms came on placement. So 172, they gave 292 offer last year. 140 firms came this time. 172, 492 offers were given last year. Average salary this year is touching whooping 29 lakhs. So this is the advantage of going to India's top college. Average salary is now 29 lakhs. And this year my target is to do a small course at IIM Calcutta. So I'm going to go there. This year is my plan. Once the lockdown get over, once the college start, I'll do some 1 week, 7 days, 5 days, 3 days course. I just want to live the life of IIM Calcutta. I do that almost every year. Last year we went to IIM Bangalore. Last year okay, lockdown में निकल गया 2020. 2019 I went to IIM Bangalore and was there for 4 days. Yeah, with students as well. So 467 batch took process part 120 offers. Total 172 companies participated. Come to the trend, 149. Consulting is number one with 149 offers. So 149 offers in consulting at IIM Calcutta, around 130 consulting offers at IIM Ahmedabad, 134, 135. IIM Bangalore, 152 offers. So that's why I put IIM Bangalore as number one for consulting. And now IIM Calcutta become number two for consulting. 32% of the batch have gone to consulting. Accenture, BCG were the top regulator. Okay. Kepler Canon and Arthur Leiter are coming for the first time. At least 90 people selected in the investment banker. Now look at this. Investment banking, for banking, IIM Calcutta is number one. SM management, 70, 90 students got there. If I compare with IIM Bangalore, 70 students went for consulting, finance roles. Yep. So 90% of the placement is in finance. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America are the top two companies in this space. So consulting number one, finance number two. Okay, economic slowdown was visible in the sector wise. Yeah, general management role and the marketing role, which came from 30% last year to 15% this year. Yeah, HUL, Procter & Gamble, ITC, Adani, Reliance continue to hire to campus, they still come to campus. So that's why I say, target a good college so that even if it's a lockdown, even anything happen, anything goes wrong, you're still getting the top placement. And this is 29 lakh is your starting salary. It's gonna grow only. That's main advantage. We don't have the data for this year, detailed data, which will be coming soon. I'm looking at now 2019 ka data when average was 5.4 lakhs. So median salary, I think this is median salary. Overall CTC 5.4 lakhs, 25.4 lakhs, 2019, 2021, 2 साल पहले का. One pick up this data. If in the top 50 from the batch, top half of the batch have got 30 lakh a package. This year, most probably half the batch might have got 32 lakh, 33 lakh a package. Top 15% got 38.9, top 10% got 40 lakh a package, top 5% of the batch got 44 lakh a package, which this year might be touching 50 lakhs. Top 5%, which is not a huge number, but 5% above, yeah, but out of 440 students, 5% is approximately around 22 students. 22 लोगों को 50 लाख का पैकेज बनने वाला है यार. My dad retired from the government job at the package of 12 lakh, 12 lakh ka package. My dad at the age of 60. Fine. Here you are earning double, triple, four times the package at age of 24, 25. This is what my dad liked the most. Liked, not hated, liked. कि मेरा बेटा मेरी half age में मेरे से double कमा रहा है. Trust me, nothing give your dad ज़्यादा खुशी than, I think dad is the only man who will not be jealous of your success. Trust me. दोस्त लोग सब होते हैं यार अंदर से कि जला रहे ये तो आगे निकल जाएगा. But dad is always more than happy and will help you to grow more. So let's do it for the dad. Now come the last part. How can you get this much package? Now for that we have to work hard. So if you want to go to any IIM, this is the cutoff for any of the IIMs. You need to score for any of the IIMs. We need to get 90. Any IIMs, ABC, new IIMs, baby IIMs, all inclusive. General engineer male, GEM category, you need to get 95 percentile, which is 33 marks in verbal, 24 marks in DLR, 29 marks in quant, overall 76. Now each of this number is divided by 3. So the moment I do divide by 3, so this is 11 question correct here. Divide by 3, 8 question correct. Divide by 3, 10 question correct. All you need to do is 11, 8 and 10. You will get 95 percentile. You will get the IIM call. Let it be from IIM Amritsar or IIM Nagpur, one of the IIMs. Non-engineer 90 percentile. Touch these three numbers. Divided by 3, you will get the actual number of questions correct, not attempt correct. OBC, EWS, this is the cutoff. And SC, ST, DA, this is the cutoff. So you have your magic numbers in front of you, your target scores. But if you want only ABC, if you want only IIM ABC, then GEM category cutoff is 99.5 percentile. Usme bhi, if your acads are low, this can go up to 99.6 also. Your target have to be 99.6 percentile. Yeah, which is 46, 38, 29. For category students, just check out your cutoff, which category you belong to, then you have the cutoff. Now come the next comment. Sir, I am a GEM. Engineers ko leke, look at them, non-engineer, they're getting call at even 99. I need 99.6, this and that. I have students who have recommended their friends, please don't apply to IIMS because don't apply go for CAT because at 99.4 I have not got ABC का कॉल. ठीक है भाई, ABC का कॉल नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, FMS तो आएगा, IIT दिल्ली तो आएगा, कुछ तो कर. Why you recommending other not to give CAT? Yeah. Now okay, let's look at that way now. Engineers को लेके वो हो रहा है, बहुत बदनामी हो रही है. This said that engineer not being preferred. Yeah, let's look at this number एक बार to make you understand this. BTech plus MTech 6%, BCom 3%, others 7%, BE 19, and BTech 64%. So 64 plus 19 plus 6, 90% of the batch are still engineers. 90%. Non-engineers are 10%. 90% of the batch. Out of 440 people, 90%, more than 400 बच्चा वहाँ पे engineer है. Only 40 odd students are non-engineer. Now those who claim on Quora and they say अरे engineers को preference नहीं मिलता है, engineers have very low chance to convert. Boss, still 400 people are their engineers. How can they got into? Fine. So stop cribbing about the remaining 10% who can't go into that and start focusing on this. And all the non-engineers who are watching this video, let's try to focus, increase this number to 20%, 30%. And who can do this? Only you can do that with your performance. Yeah, IIMs are giving the opportunity here ki theek hai bhai, you are non-engineer, no problem, I'll give you a call even at a slightly lower percentile cutoff, but to convert the interview, to perform there, only you can control that. So let's work hard for that so that we can convert, A, perform well to get that call, and then B, will convert the call. All right, so we are launching our program. So today is Monday, we are launching our new program today from Monday. So in case you want to join the program, just call the numbers given here. In case you want to join us for the e-classes, for the books, mocks, or the shortcuts program, whichever program you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. All the best.